Hi, Steve here from SMC County Garage. Now I just thought I'd record this quick video that just shows you how much quicker and easier to navigate around the new media system is in the second generation of Cupra Formentor or the Taviscan and Terramar, up to and including the newborn as well. Now this one is fitted in a Taviscan, so it's basically the Seat Ateca replacement vehicle, medium-size SUV, but you'll notice while I'm talking it's just so much faster to navigate through. Being larger as well, you have at the top left-hand side some permanent menu buttons, so if you want to drill into different selections you can save them up in the top left-hand side, and this brings you back to the main menu screen. And then from here you can also run through the heating controls as well. Now that was one of the big things that I found using it before, is that it was a bit laggy when you try to control the temperatures for the different sides of the vehicle, but now you can see you've got an individual and lit, so it's great at night. Run through for the passenger and the driver's side, and if I hit the sync button now and I come back out of this menu, it allows me to adjust just my side, and the passenger goes as well. Now say they put some angles in here, so they've changed through a fair bit of little copper in there as well, but thought you might like the video. Just a quick one, just to show you a really quick run through on what it's like. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.